Hello, welcome to Emilia Online Mathematics. We have some of Jamb questions, some simple questions that do come out in Jamb, okay? I have about two of them here. One says, without the use of logarithm, solve for x in log x squared plus 2 all in bracket plus 4 all in bracket in base 10 is equal to 2 plus log x base 10 minus log 20 base 10. Okay, we have two questions here. Before I continue, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? Follow, subscribe, drop your comment for more videos. Okay, let's continue. In this, we are going to consider the common base. They are familiar, base 10, and base 10, okay? So now let's look at question, the first question, that log x squared plus 4 in base 10 is equal to these two here, okay? These two here, we are going to change it to be what? The value of what? 2 in base 10. What in base 10, what log will give us 2 in base 10 is obviously log 100 in base 10, okay? So I have log 100 in base 10, then plus log x in base 10 minus log 20 in base 10. So they are now in what? Common uniform. With this, I can start solving. You cannot solve with, as it is, okay? You have to simplify it to its common. Each and every of these terms must have common base, okay? So now let's start. So therefore, I will have that in this log 100 base 10 plus log x base 10, we are going to apply the law. The law says that what? That log n in base 10 plus log n in any base, not basically base 10. Log n plus log n is equal as what? Log bracket n times n, okay? That is what we are going to. So in other words, we are going to multiply this and this. Also, that log n minus log n is equal as what? Log m over log n. So we are going to apply division or quotient rule in this particular one. Okay, so let's start. So on that, so we are simply going to state that log x squared plus 4 in base 10 will now be equal to what? Log, they will now be in common base 10, 100 over x, 100 times x over 20. 100 times x over 20, okay? So I have that 20 can divide this to give us 5, okay? So I have that log x squared plus 4 in base 10 will now be equal to what? Log 5x all in base 10. So you can see, now that they have common log, common base 10, it is going to disappear, okay? I'll have that x squared plus 4 will now be equal to what? 5x. X squared plus 4 will now be equal to what? 5x, okay? So I have that x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. X squared minus 5x plus 4 will now be equal to 0. It's giving us the quadratic equation. When you look at this, it can be factorized. Minus 1 times minus 4 will give us plus 4. And minus 1 and minus 4 is what? Minus 5. So it can be factorized. So their common factors are what? X minus 1 and what? X minus 4, all equal to 0. So x will now be equal to what? Or x minus 1 equal to 0. and what? X minus 4. And x minus 4 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 1 and x will be equal to 4. So the two possible values of x are 1 and what? 4. So that is how you are going to